Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on the Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.rcbconlinebanking.com and hit enter. After the login page of the RCBC opens up on your screen, on the left hand side of your screen, just below the password text field, you'll find the forgot user ID or password option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the forgot user ID or password option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your user ID or registered email here, your account number here, and then click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to reset your password on the RCBC. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on the Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.